Unleashing Creativity, a guide to editing your YouTube videos. Welcome to the magical world of video editing where your creativity takes the lead. Here, raw footage transforms into captivating stories. Mastering editing is mastering storytelling. It's about deciding what stays, what goes, and what gets highlighted. It's your narrative, your control. Let's talk about cutting. Trimming away the unnecessary parts helps your content shine. It's like sculpting, you chip away to reveal the masterpiece. Transitions are not just fancy effects. They are narrative tools, guiding your viewer from one scene to another. Use them wisely and sparingly. Sound design creates an atmosphere. It sets the mood, emphasizes reactions, and enhances the overall experience. It's the invisible thread weaving your story together. Graphics and text add a layer of information and style. Whether it's a title, a caption, or an animated character, they make your video pop. Remember, editing is more than just a technical process. It's the final step of storytelling. So, let your creativity run wild.